spend all your time playing video games. You never pay attention to anything else.
From now on, no more games.
Wow, this game is so fun.
Next day.
I'm home, Mom.
First, go finish your homework, then eat.
Okay.
While his mom was bringing food, the boy shouted excitedly,
Oh my God.
Mom, I won!
I told you to do your homework first. You should have listened to me.
Oh, no!
You will now face the consequences.
No more video games.
The boy stood there silently, crying.
Mom, why have you done that? Because together, the end.
I'll leave this house.
And I hate you.
While his mom was bringing food, the boy shouted excitedly,
Oh my God.
I told you to do your homework first. You should have listened to me.
Hello, police. Someone ran home on kitten. Finally, found the kitten. Kitten, I'm sorry. Don't cry, Mommy. Kitten is here. After doing homework, and then you buy some video games and television. Don't cry, Mom. I'm doing homework. Now we'll keep the problem in the 100 miles. Very well done. Why, Kitten? You have been high school. Sorry. Attention. It's me, Daddy. Attention, open the door. We're going to Walmart. When should I go home?
Cheers.
"Oh no."
I'm sorry.
Haha, it's okay. Let's go take a bath. Now it's back to clean and fragrant.